Welcome in, everyone. I applied decal and then I applied a beige. It's like an ombre, right? It's like a diagonal ombre. So let me show you the decal. And this is basically like animal print. It's giving that like Y2K type of vibe. I have cut out some already. And the one that I'm using now is the pink one. All right, so I'm gonna actually apply a nail art foil glue gel. We need the flowers to stick on something, the beads. Looking for this. You can see that the color underneath kind of comes through, the decal underneath. Look how beautiful. That's what I was doing. So this is how I do it. Make sure that when you're putting, if you ever decide to do this, make sure that the balls are like perfect inside, perfect balls. It'll make it easier to create the flower. So I scoot on each side and then I squeeze them in together. This is personally how I do it. And then I do it again to create more dimension. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cure this and then I'm gonna do the next two. So this dot, this circle, and middle. Spread to the edges, bring into the middle. Do it again. That. I like that. Don't understand. Ooh. Do something like that. So it looks weird right now, but it'll make sense when we're progressing on. It's for in which what you receive. If there's something that you want, I've had many different requests. People requested their boyfriend, people requested themselves. I've gotten requests for dogs, concert, Chanel. You want to immerse it in the water completely, being here and liking and all that. It's been in the water for you need about maybe 10 seconds, just as long as it's been submerged. Pat it dry, and then it should be sliding off within about 10 seconds or so to the nail. So this part kind of takes patience and careful. And basically just smooth it on. I like to keep it on the backing paper until it's meeting up with the nail below it. Oh, that didn't work. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not curing properly, but as you see, the base coat also, look how gorgeous the print is. So very easy. Just go around the edges. You can do this on your natural nail too, but around the cuticle area, I would recommend maybe like some acetone. It works perfectly to melt away the excess paper. Using the same exact, like I'd be using decal. So to protect, I just use a clear gel top coat. So I'm just gonna put that all over and the color comes alive, the image comes alive. Look how beautiful. It is so pretty. I love that brown. And I actually this is what I use to create the color for this particular design. I am using pastels. Scrape it. I'm just scraping on whatever surface you have. I love brown for more dimension. Let's do the blue, this blue first. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, let's go for it. Look how pretty. Oh, and the little crevices easier. See, like that. Just realized that I've seen all my favorite artists. She's one of my favorites. Oh, it's so pretty. Use another sticky base because we want to see the indentions in the petals. Don't have to cover it completely. Just make sure that it has some on there. It's a primer and it's called Long Lasting Double Bond Base Coat. Concert. This is just a bragging time right now. Not wait to go to more concerts. Back thing that's on the bottom left. Oh, so this is the one that's sticky. Cuticle oil. I don't work with acrylic often, but if you are a beginner, I mean, I guess you could find value in this in terms of education. I just moved it. Yay. This applies easy. That's why I opted in to use this clear. I do follow back, by the way. I wouldn't say she's in her prime anymore. She's legit. It's way too dry. This one's too big, but it should be okay. Acrylic's fun. It's like the funnest, I feel. Admission, general admission. Just go for it. Just go for it. So it's the same thing. Dimension. I am gonna put it closer over here. There we go. Let's do this one. Just use it on. You got me hanging on a string. Let me go, let go, let go, let you let go. Like this right here. Ooh, beauty. Rounding the crystals. Look at that color coming through, which it is, but the petals last so they're not flooded. Super thin, but definitely cover them. We do want them glossy. cool.